In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove access for links shared on a file in Canva. If you've ever shared a Canva design using a public link and later decided you don't want everyone accessing it, this tutorial is for you. Maybe you sent it to clients, teammates, or posted it somewhere publicly, and now you want to lock it down. I'll walk you through the exact steps to disable that shared link and make your file private again. If this video helps you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple Canva tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open the design in Canva that you want to manage. Head over to canva.com and log into your account. Once you're on your Canva dashboard, locate the file you previously shared. You can find it under Recent Designs, Projects, or in a specific folder if you organized it there. Click on the design to open it. Make sure you're opening the exact file that has the active shared link, because the settings we're about to change apply only to the file you currently have open. Once your design is open, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. This is where all the sharing and permission settings are located. When you click Share, a panel will pop up showing who currently has access to the file and what level of access they have. This is also where Canva generates link sharing permissions. In the Sharing panel, look for the section that controls link access. You'll usually see options like anyone with the link can view, anyone with the link can edit, or something similar, depending on what you selected before. This setting determines whether your design is publicly accessible to anyone who has the link. Now here's the key step. To remove access for the shared link, click on the drop-down menu that shows the current access level. From the list of options, select Only People Added. When you change the setting to Only People Added, Canva immediately disables public link access. That means anyone who previously had the link but was not specifically added by email will no longer be able to open the file. This is the most important step in the entire process. As soon as you switch it to Only People Added, the old public link stops working. If someone tries to use that link, they'll either be prompted to request access or they won't be able to view the design at all, depending on your settings. You don't need to delete the link manually. Simply changing the access level automatically removes public availability. If you also want to double-check who still has access, you can review the list of added people in the same Share panel. From there, you can remove specific individuals by clicking the drop-down next to their name and selecting Remove Access. This gives you full control over exactly who can view or edit your Canva design. And that's it. That's how you remove access for links shared on a file in Canva. It only takes a few clicks, but it's incredibly important for protecting your work and maintaining privacy. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva guides in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.